Hi guys, this is RockinRobin. You are on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. And today I want to talk about some of the items that I am listing. Wow, I've been searching for items for, all the time. You go to flea markets, you go to thrift stores, you go to the tag sales, garage sales, you go everywhere. You're always looking for items. But what are some of the things I'm listing at this time of year? So what are some of the things I'm putting up? Why am I looking for those? Why am I listing those? What did I find? All those good questions will be answered. So if this is your first time here, we sell on eBay. Been selling on eBay for a long time. We sell on Mercari. We sell on Poshmark. We sell on Facebook Marketplace. And we sell at the flea market. So let's take a look at some of the things we're listing, and let me give you some tips, some secrets, some reasons, everything I could think of about them, so that we can help you make some money. You stay with us. Okay, so let's take a look at what I'm listing. This is a dinosaur mask, and it's from Universal. I'm always looking for items from Disney, but I don't find that many from Universal. So when we found this dinosaur, we thought, what a great item. We paid, I believe, $4 for it, and it is selling anywhere from $30 to $50, $55, depending on the condition. This one works great, so that's what we're listing. Now, since it is the summer, we're listing a lot of different items, but this one is a Guy Harvey poster. Now, Guy Harvey is very, very popular in Florida. He is an ocean wildlife artist, and this one is signed and numbered. Now, I don't know exactly. I bought this in a lot of stuff, so maybe I paid $2 or $3 for it. I'm listing it for over $250. I want to get $250 for this, so that was a great item. Now, since it's summer, I am also listing a number of Tommy Bahama shirts. I love to list Hawaiian shirts, and I want to show you that there's a variety, and there's also a variety of tags. So for each one, I'm going to show you what their tag looks like as well. Now, I got 4 of these for $10 at a garage sale. Here is one of the tags. You can see what it looks like. And here is another one of the shirts. Now, a lot of people said they couldn't sell Tommy Bahamas, and this is a great time to sell Hawaiian shirts. I would say now, in the next 2 or 3 months. I sell them all year long, but prime time is always late spring, early summer. Here is a look at the second tag. You can see how they're all different and unique, but each tag will say Tommy Bahama. So as long as it has the name, don't worry necessarily about the style. Now, they are different years, and they're different times that they were made, and some people care about the tags and others do not. I don't worry about it too much. Here is the third tag. You want to care more about the quality. Is it a nice shirt? You don't want any rips, tears, stains. That's the way it is for all kinds of clothes, but I especially worry about Tommy Bahamas. Always check the buttons. Make sure there's enough buttons. Tommy Bahamas, some of them seem to be thicker than others, although they're all supposed to be silk, but the quality always seems to change. Here is the last one. I get $20 to $25 for Tommy Bahamas, and I don't spend more than $4 or $5. Now, this I found for $1.49 at a garage sale. And I'm saying I'm listing this, but I want to tell you, I listed it already, and I put it up, and it sold in a couple hours. Now, I got $33 for it. Some of them were selling for much more. Prices were higher, and I was happy to get $33 because I spent $1.49. But it's this type of thing people might use in the summer. And here is another purse. Now, I got this one for $2. It's Dune London. I'm hoping to get $25 or $30 for it. It does have the original tag. Original tags always make things worth more. So keep on the lookout. And when you see something with the original tag, take a better look at it. I always do. Now, I am looking a lot for purses. What else can I find for the summer? Now, look at this. This isn't necessarily a summer item. I picked it up. I didn't know what it was. It's a Han Solo holster belt set. I didn't know. My partner in crime knew what it was immediately. As soon as she saw it, she said, I know what this is. I didn't know. But we've got it for $3, and it is selling for $75 to $95. Close to hundreds for some of them if it was brand new with tag, but this one is in very good condition. So those are some of the things that I'm listing this month. Now, sales have been slow. Everybody's been complaining about slow sales, and they are, but you got to list stuff for the summer. You got to find good stuff. Keep fighting through this slowness, this slow period. It will get better. So those are some of the things I'm listing. You let me know what you're listing in the comment section. So those are some of the things that we found. What did you think? You think they'll sell? You never know. The way things are going right now, eBay is very slow, and you don't know what's going to happen. But I thought those were all good items, and I think sometimes I'm thinking way in advance. Sometimes I'm thinking about right now. It's the summer. So there was quite a few mixture of what was going on and what we saw. Hey, if you like our channel and things that we do, please remember to subscribe. That is so important. And if you give us a thumbs up, we really appreciate that. We think that that's great. And lastly, if you don't want to miss any videos, if you want to see what we're talking about each time, hit the bell. That will show you, and it'll pop up and say RockinRobin has a new video. That's always important. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that those helped you. What I want you to do right now is I want you to go out, find something good, list it like I'm listing, and then you go make yourself some money. See you soon.